All right, so now we've chosen the brand name that we want to use. We bought the domain. So now we need to create a logo. Logo is something that stands on top of your website, that goes on all of your emails, that goes everywhere, that signals to people, okay, this is a brand name, right? So if you ever bought Apple, right? So Apple is a, iPhone, right? So iPhone is one of the Apple products. This is the logo, right? You're probably familiar. You've probably seen logos before. I just want to make sure that we're full on the same page. This is something that visually tells people that this is the specific brand name, right? And we'll have that logo everywhere on your products, on your packaging, like everywhere, right? So now, as we have the brand name, we bought the domain name. Now we will, for that specific domain name, we will choose the logo, and I'll show you some free tools that you can use to pretty much get a free logo for yourself. So let's go. All right, so again, I'm very free here. So, and very fast. I would say I'm extremely fast. So here, right, this is our store. And we went here, we see that Sertaldor, all right, if that's a name we decided with. I have a bunch of these names, or Bamberg, Trier, let's do something very cool. Sorrento, I love Sorrento. It's a very cool name. So right, okay. So I didn't buy this name. I decided to leave this one to you. If you like it, just get it. Try Sorrento.com. However, so whoever gets first will be the first, and we'll get this domain name. All right. So now we're here, and we'll be using this name. There's like several different apps, but we will use this one, right? So try Sorrento, and let's go, right? Let's create a free one. Let's create a free logo. All right, so now here you can see there's so many different options, right? Literally super fast, right? So whichever one you prefer. I personally like kind of like minimalistic stuff, so I'll try to find something that is kind of like more simple, minimalistic, and then I'll also be able to edit that one and modify it. All right, so this one, customize it. All right, so they're just like that. Boom. All right, boom. I don't like this one, so I don't know what that flower means, but if you need to modify the flower, if you need to put anything custom there, there's some shapes here and some icons as well. I personally think this one is pretty solid, right? So what I'll do is I'll just save it, and I will, I'll download it. Let me see. All right, so now you can see you have all these different options. If you want to pay, kind of like have higher resolution photos, that's totally up to you. However, if you want just free stuff, then you just use free one here. All right, so now I will be typing something in here, and I will be doing this, and I'll just put my email in here too. And I will use my email here and this. So now I got my logo downloaded just like that, right? I put my email here, I got my logo downloaded, which is wonderful, right? So as I'm here, right, I need to go to brand section, right? And I want to add a default logo for my brand, right? So let me show you this here. Sorrento. And I do this. I do cover image. I'll just stick with this, right? Let me see how that would look like here. All right, so it didn't change yet. All right, so we'll go to online store, and we go to here, and we go to here, So the more also like the more you do it, like the more familiar it becomes and the easier it becomes. I'm not good at like creating websites, like editing websites. I totally suck at it, right? So if I can do it, you can definitely do it. All right, so change here, scheme 4. Let's see, where's the logo, right? Where is the logo? Footer. All right, so I'm here in the footer.
Okay, I found this on the web for where is the logo.
All right, so Siri, I think, is listening to my conversation here. Welcome to our store. Okay, welcome to our store. And I can do it, edit your logo here. Oh, there you go. Oh, there we go. Logo. And now we have a logo. Now we have a store. Now we have a logo. I mean, what else? What else we can want here, right? So now here, this part, and I'll image. You see here if it will place it. Oh, there you go. Try Sorrento. Boom. There you go. Right? So now we have a store. We have a logo that looks pretty solid. And now we are ready to do some other stuff on the website and make it even better, right? Remember, this step goes after you buying the domain name. So by this point here, you would already have your domain name, right? Again, go to settings, go to domains, and get that domain name. Super important. Otherwise, it will be like this one, which is not ideal, right? So this is it. It's super exciting, and we just got it done in like what, 3-5 minutes. And I'm not even familiar how to do this. My team built these websites. They're much more technical than I am, but if I can do it, you can definitely do it. And that's how you build things, step by step, brick by brick. So yeah, let's go.